Hi everyone, today we discuss about the angles and their measurement. Means this is the chapter number 13 for class 6. Now, first of all, what is the mean of angles? What is the means of angles means what is the definition of angles? If two rays are rising starting from a common point, then an angle will be formed, and we can say in other language when the two rays are meet at a common point, then angle will be formed just like this. If this is a common point, if two rays, first ray is this one and second ray is this one, then this is your angle. Okay, because this is your common point when the two rays are rising. This one is A, O and B. So ray here, OA and OB. Now what is mean of vertex? Vertex means just like a corner, and here corner is what? O. Now symbol of angle. Symbol of angle means how we represent the angles. Just like this is the symbol and this is angle AOB. Okay, this is the simple concept of what is angle. When the two rays are meet, just like we can say if the one ray is this one and second ray is this one, then they meet at this common point, then angle will be formed. This is the simple concept of angles. Now next is what is the interior or what is the exterior. First of all, interior, then exterior. For this we have to take the example just like our diagram is given A, O and B. Just like here PQ, P given, here Q given, here R given. Okay, here again X given. Okay, and question said find out the interior in angle AOB. Interior means the point which are lie inside the figure, inside the diagram. So which point are there? First of all this one and second one is this one. So P and Q are lie inside the diagram. Now outside only for outside means, yeah, exterior means what? The points which are lie outside the diagram or outside the angle. These are the known as exterior, and only for R point is lie. Now points on एंगल ए ओ बी मीन्स ऐसे कौन से पॉइंट है जो उसी एंगल पे प्रेजेंट हो या उसी बाउंड्री पे प्रेजेंट कौन कौन से हैं? क्यू, ओ, बी एंड ए. सो ए, ओ, क्यू, बी. This is the simple concept of interior, exterior and the point which are lie on the boundary. Now next, types of angle. Next topic is types of angles. First of all, acute angle. Acute angle means if the value of the angle is greater than 0 or less than 90 degree, this is the known as acute angle. Less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Just like a diagram. This is your acute angle. Now right angle. Right angle means if the value of the angle is equal to 90 degree, then this is the known as right angle. Value of angle is 90 degree. And the diagram of right angle, and this is the symbol of right angle. So right angle means ओके. सो एक्यूट एंगल कहाँ लाई करेगा? इस साइड में आपका acute angle lie करेगा, means inside. Now next type of angle is third type of the angle is obtuse angle. If value of angle is less than 180 degree and less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. Okay, obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, known as obtuse angle. Diagram. अब देखो यहाँ पे होगा तो कौन सा होगा, राइट एंगल आएगा, इसके इनसाइड में होगा तो एक्यूट एंगल, एंड आउटसाइड मींस दिस इज योर ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेट एंगल. Okay, straight angle. If value of angle is 180 means अगर एंगल की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 180 डिग्री, देन दिस इज नोन एज आवर स्ट्रेट एंगल. डायग्राम सिंपल. ओके, तो यहाँ से ये जो होगा वो आपका कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. सिंपल. Now next first is acute, second is right angle right angle, now third is obtuse and fourth is straight angle. Now fifth is reflex angle. Reflex angle means if the value of angle is greater than 180 degree or less than 360 degree, this is known as reflex angle. Less than 360 and greater than 180 degree, this is our reflex angle. Now diagram. Now simple only for डॉटेड से सिखा रहा हूँ कि एक ही एंगल में एक ही डायग्राम में हाउ वी शो राइट एंगल, एक्यूट, ऑब्ट्यूज एंड ऑल अदर एंगल. ओके, इफ दिस इज योर राइट एंगल. ओके, बिगर समझा था अच्छे से. अगर ये आपका ऐसे हो जाएगा, सो दिस वन इज योर राइट एंगल. इफ इनसाइड होगा तो एक्यूट हो जाएगा, दिस इज योर राइट एंगल. और अगर बाहर की साइड में होगा तो ऑब्ट्यूज, और सीधा होगा तो ऑब्ट्यूज. और अगर इसके नीचे आया जैसे यहाँ पे तो ये आपका कौन सा होगा, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप कंप्लीट एंगल. एंगल नंबर 6, कंप्लीट एंगल. Value of angle is 360. 360 means a whole circle. If the value of the angle is 360 degree, then this is known as a complete circle, means circle. Okay, complete angle. So diagram we can say a, अब यहाँ से ऐसे हो जाएगा, ये अपने क्या हो जाएगा, complete. Okay, and you can draw also middle in this is O, then you can draw here also circle. Okay, for showing the complete angle. Now last, zero angle. Value of, जैसा कि नाम से पता चल रहा है, जीरो मीन्स if the value of the angle is 0 degree, then this is known as our zero angle. Okay, value of angle is जीरो। जैसे कि सिंपल सी लाइन ड्रॉ की ए, तो यहाँ पे जो अपना एंगल बनेगा वो कौन सा बनेगा अपना 0 डिग्री में। ओके, दिस इज द ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल। फर्स्ट इज एक्यूट, सेकंड इज राइट एंगल, थर्ड वन इज ऑब्ट्यूज, फोर्थ वन इज योर ऑब्ट्यूज, देन स्ट्रेट एंगल, देन कंप्लीट एंगल, जीरो एंगल एंड complete angle, straight and reflex angle. These are the types of angles. Now we will take one or two examples that how we will solve. Okay, just like two right angle and 1.5 right angle and okay, so two right angle, one right angle means 90 degree or two right angle means 90 plus 90 180 degree. Now 1 and 1 by 2, this is your mixed fraction. Now come first of all complete in simple form. 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, so 3 by 2 into right angle means right angle means 90, so it will be cancelled out by 45, 45 का करेंगे multiply, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry 12. So this is your concept of how we will solve a diagram. Okay, if question said 135 degree 89.5, so 135 means this is your greater than 90 or less than 180, so this is your obtuse angle. Now here 89.5 means less than 90 or greater than 0, then acute angle. So these are the basic concept of angles and their measurement. Okay.